Who does that? Siguro ang oras na ngayon ay 6:30 ng umaga. And a lot of people here in the United States, here in our area, buy lemongrass. Pero yung medyo maliliit pa, hindi muna natin ililipat kasi baka mamatay. Ang sakit sa mata. Hindi talaga tayo cook. So para sa ating chicken feet tinola, ito lang ang ating ingredients. Chicken feet, salt, good morning mga kabayan. So, ikalawang araw ito ng ating day off. Kagigising lang natin at siguro ang oras na ngayon ay 6:30 ng umaga. Dahil day off pa rin natin, ay sasamahan natin si Terry na ilakad yung mga aso namin. Meron kaming 2 aso. So, ito yung neighborhood namin. Maraming mga Pilipina dito. Napakatahimik ng area. Sa fall season na tayo, so medyo malamig-lamig na lalo na pag umaga. Somebody in the neighborhood is moving. Halfway na tayo sa ating paglalakad. Are we going back now? Magaganda yung mga bahay dito, mga 2-story karamihan. Maybe this is a male grapevine. Oh. And it's so big all the way up to the tree. Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me, Marina! Marina! Let's go, Marina! Let's go! It is so different here in the United States. In the Philippines, you go outside your house, you'll see a lot of people on the street. Here, I've never seen one since I come out of the house. A 3-year-old weeping willow tree. And then our black-eyed Susan is turning brown now. They are finished their service of giving flowers. Trash truck is coming today. This is our front yard. I planted some roses and they're still growing. I got a lot of black-eyed Susan here also, but the grass had overtaken them. The elephant ears has 2 leaves now. Soon there will be 3. Okay, let's go inside the house. This is Oram and this is Marina. Hey Marina, introduce yourself, say hi. Oram always like to eat, that's why she's big like this.
I'm healthy, I'm not big.
Bago tayo mag-gardening, maghuhugas muna ako ng pinggan. May dishwasher naman kami pero yung malalaki gusto ko ako mismo ang naghuhugas. Ano ba yung emery lagasse na yon? Sira agad yung, anong tawag dito, yung spacer. Ayan, tanggal agad. Later today around 4 in the afternoon, some of my friends are coming over to swim. So I will be doing a little bit of vlogging at the end. because they normally stay here up to like maybe 10, 12 in the evening. I'm plan on cooking adobo. I bought like 2 big slab of pork belly, and the one I cooked last night, that's 1/8. Today I still have 1/8 left. That's my last piece of pork belly. I got it from Fort Bragg PX. It's only like $22 for a big slab of it, and it's really good. After I drink this coffee, I'm gonna transplant the strawberry from the pots to the plant bed that we prepared yesterday. I have at least 40 pots of strawberries, but the others are very small. They only have maybe 1 or 2 tiny leaves. I don't want to transplant them yet. I would like to wait until they have 4 leaves. That's the instruction on the website where I got the bare root strawberry. I ordered lemongrass seeds. They said the planting temperature should be like between 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start germinating some of those seeds, because 1 pack has 2,000 seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and germinate maybe 1/4 of them in preparation for next year's planting season. Ito yung lemongrass na binili ko online from outsidepride.com. Ano siya, 2,000 pieces of lemongrass seeds for $9. This is gonna be my first time planting lemongrass seeds, because normally I just buy 1 plant and then I propagate them through cuttings, or I separate them and they will just multiply by themselves. So one of my customer gave me an idea that you actually can plant lemongrass, so I'll go ahead and plant this today. I will not plant the whole 2,000 seeds, maybe just around 500. Maybe that's gonna be like a pinch. That's how the seeds look like, very tiny, so I don't want to waste it. It says the germination time is between 7 to 21 days. So I will plant them in 1 pot, let them grow into seedlings, and then we'll see, we'll go from there. But during winter, the instruction is to put them inside the house. Lemongrass don't like frost or very cold temperature, so we'll try to see if we can grow some. You can use lemongrass on any type of Filipino food that you're cooking. Soup, marinade, roast, whatever. And a lot of people here in the United States, here in our area, buy lemongrass. One half-gallon pot container, they buy it for $5. If there's lots of stems coming out of that plant, like maybe 4 or 5 stems, I can sell it for $10, and they really buy it. So it's a good not really business. It's like I am doing something that I really like. Whatever I spent on the things that I like, which is a hobby, some people come over and buy. In one day, sometimes we get $100, $150. That's enough to buy lots of soil and seeds and some pots. So it's a good thing to do. It's very stress relieving activity. So let's go ahead and start some planting. Okay, I sent you the picture of the makeup set. Did you see it now already?
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's nice, right? So there's another toy here. You wanna see?
Yes.
Okay, this one is a doctor set. Like you will be like a doctor with a bag. You wanna see it?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Comes in a mini bag like this.
Ooh.
And then there's a lot of things inside, and then it also has like a dress, like a doctor's gown with a mask.
Oh, that's their mask?
You wanna see the picture? I took a picture of this already. I'll show you the picture, okay?
Okay.
Wait, doctor's.
Mommy, I want to make up myself. It's so pretty.
Yeah, you can.
I can put your makeup on.
No, I can do it by myself.
You sure you don't want me to help you?
No.
Okay, that's the picture of the...
I don't see it.
It's in there, I sent it to you.
You said this, the makeup thing, and the eyeglass, and the makeup, and the box, and the...
Yes, all of that.
Yes, I don't see one thing.
The doctor's kit, you don't see it? It's in there.
I don't see it, Mommy. Please, can you say it again?
It will be loading soon. You'll see it.
I don't see it.
Check it again.
I'm just checking it again. Yay! Yay!
You like it?
Yay! That's so cool, the dressing table.
Yeah, and then you have a stethoscope like Tita Leslie. Ate Leslie.
So cool.
Okay, there's a third toy. You wanna see it?
Not yet.
These are mostly animals you see in the snow.
Ooh, that's so cool.
So it comes in a bag like this, and then there's a lot of animals inside.
What? So many animals.
I'll send you the picture, okay?
Okay.
I sent you the animal pictures already. So all these toys are for you.
No one can steal it.
No. I'll go put it in a cabinet, okay?
Mommy, I'll send you a picture.
Oh, let me see. You counted it? Yeah, there's a lot of toys, lot of animals. Okay, yan. I'm going to do some gardening now, okay?
I like to see Mommy working.
Oh, you wanna see me working?
You want me to-
Okay.
Okay, I'll take the iPad so you can watch.
Okay, let's go outside and start. Let me get my sunglasses. So, dito tayo magtatrabaho habang hindi pa mainit. Apat lahat itong plant bed natin, pero sa tingin ko, dahil hindi pa lahat ng strawberry malalaki, baka dalawa lang ang mapuno natin or baka isa lang. Itong mga halaman dito, temporary lang yan na nakalagay dyan. Kasi ang itatanim talaga natin dyan is yung mga plants na pinapagapang sa mga trellis. Magbibuild tayo dito ng arc sa side na to. So, strawberry yung nasa labas, tapos may arc. Sa loob ng arc, andyan yung mga gumagapang na halaman. That's for next year.
Okay. Can you say it?
Ha?
Just say the camera, please.
There's the camera right there.
I'm gonna plant all these big strawberries already. The big one we're gonna be planting now. Pero yung medyo maliliit pa, hindi muna natin ililipat kasi baka mamatay.
There's one little bit Mommy. Because I like to see we're holding it first. There you go.
It's got a strawberry plant, flower, ready to make a strawberry.
This is the only one we can plant
Hi.
because others are so small.
Mommy, I gotta tell Tita Mommy you're making video.
Okay. So ito yung first plant bed natin na natapos. Meron ditong 7 strawberry plant. Ito medyo malalaki na. Yung nandito sa ating first bed. Ayan. Ito naman yung second bed natin ay medium size. So 7 din ang nilagay natin dito sa plant bed na to. Yung third plant bed natin ay medyo maliliit. Ayan, maliliit pa talaga siya. Pero kinumpleto ko na kasi may dalawang malaki. So dinagdagan ko na ng 5. So medyo maliit pa siya, hopefully mabuhay. 7 din ang itinanim natin dito sa third plant bed natin. Yung fourth plant bed, andun sa dulo, wala pa siyang laman. Tapos na tayong magtanim, so didiligan lang natin sila. Ayan, tapos na ang ating strawberry transplanting. Strawberry din yan. Ang gagawin naman natin next ay itatanim na natin ngayon yung ating lemongrass seeds. So punta muna tayo sa Lowe's kasi gusto kong bumili ng soil na finer para sa ating lemongrass. Tapos bibili tayo ng mulch para dun sa isang plant bed na marami ng leaves na strawberry kasi kailangan yung leaves hindi nagtatouch sa soil. Habang ito naman si Terry ay tinatapos niya yung ating door. What are you doing there, mister?
I'm putting a latch here so Orem can't push this door open so easy. Better not. Don't even think about it.
It's unplugged. Who does that? You're the one is scared of electricity. I could have showed you a better one, Terry. put like a piece of wood here?
You got wood?
No, we gotta go to the Lowe's. Put a piece of wood here, a tiny one. That's and then tape that in here.
I had a piece of wood. We had a little small piece that was cut.
Okay. See how smart you are this time? No other wife can show you this thing.
If I was Muslim, then you would have bragging rights over the other three.
You will tell them I can tell them I'm the smartest.
You only get over here and watch what Charmie does. Stop having babies all the time.
Ouch! Okay, let's do this other one. Okay, so itong ginagawa namin, ano lang to ha, unprofessional work. So, bear with us because...
Unprofessional? Who's
Yeah.
unprofessional?
Not professional. We are not professional carpenters, so I call it unprofessional. Hopefully what my husband here is trying to do works. We're trying to install a latch so the dog cannot open the gate. Because
They got smart.
this alone, they can open this gate. They're so smart. Give me a nail so I can mark where you're gonna be making holes. No, just give me. It's better. It's better to mark it, Terry. Okay, don't be hard-headed. 1, 2,
See, the other wife would have said, why would you mark it if you can see it?
3. You also don't want the wood to crack, you know. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aming carpentry work kasi hindi tayo masyadong magaling sa ganito. Then 3 nails that are not as strong.
Where's the other strong nail going?
Let's fix this first because we want to make sure that we can still open it. Boy.
Where's my assistant? I don't know why Lowe's keeps sending me the worst they have.
Well, you still be working here for until afternoon if you didn't. I'm not here.
Yeah, because I would take a break. Why you ain't catch it?
Where's the other one? Hurry up, old lady. Come inside. It's gonna be quick because we're gonna just get soil and an ant killer. That's it. It's really expensive, huh? Last time na pumunta ako dito, siguro 2 days ago, merong purple heart plants na on sale. Hopefully wala pang bumili. Pag may bumili na, wala na, hindi na natin makukuha. Nabenta na. Oo, wala na dito. What about that box plant that you are trying to check?
I found that dead looking thing.
It will grow back.
I'm trying to start all this dead.
This is nice indoor plant here. Fig tree. That's it. Alright, let's pay. So we're done. We got what we need. We're heading to the cashier and then go straight to Walmart. We forgot to get the mulch because I did not write it down. I know if I do not write it down, I will forget it. And that's what happened. So, he's going back in there to get the mulch. So, ito yung black mulch na kukunin natin. On sale, 5 bags for $10. I think that's okay. We just have to take care of it. Why don't you move the car forward? Huh?
It's okay.
So you don't have to walk so far. Alright. So, luckily Terry forgot about the dog's appointment today. So we have to go home and cut our trip to Walmart and to the Asian store. We'll do the dog first.
Yeah, that's at least 2:30. Time I can do some cleaning.
So, ibaba lang natin itong mga pinamili natin tapos isakay natin yung aso. Idadrop muna natin yung aso sa kanilang appointment. Alright, you're all going with us.
As soon as I turn this car on, you're gonna hear him howling.
Why? They don't like it? Why?
Just how they do.
Get inside!
She alright.
You sure?
Yeah, she can't jump out of there.
We'll go now to Walmart to pick up some chicken feet, sayote, and pork cubes. 3 items.
Now, Florida's largest teachers union is running TV ads
One of
to
the
pressure
richest
the
How many did you get? Our next stop is the Asian store. We're gonna pick up pork cubes and string beans or sitaw. And I will also pick up some corn for my breakfast, boiled corn. Oh, this is papaya. Papaya, pork cubes and corn, that's it. Not powder? Powder. Oh, it's powder also? I think so. Oh, you have to spoon. Yep. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. We're in and out for 4 minutes. We're on the way home now. Ang pinamili natin, papaya para sa tinola, pork cubes, bumili siya ng cookies niya. Plano ko sana sayote ang gagamitin sa tinola, kaso iisa na lang sa Walmart. Pagpunta ko sa Asian store, meron palang papaya, so papaya ang gagamitin natin. Ang tinola natin is chicken feet tinola kasi mas malasa siya kesa sa chicken meat. Ito na ang breakfast ko, corn. So, kainin ko lang to tapos mag-work na ako sa plant bed. So, andito na ulit tayo sa backyard. Gagawin natin is tatapusin na natin yung paglalagay ng mulch or mulch dito sa ating strawberry plant bed. So, eto na mga kabayan, tapos na tayong maglagay ng mulch sa ating strawberry plant bed. Ang purpose ng mulch natin ay para ma-maintain yung moisture ng soil At ganun din para hindi directly sa lupa yung ating mga leaves ng strawberry para hindi siya mabulok. Dito na tayo sa sahig magtatrabaho para konti lang ang lilinisan natin. Ito yung ating lemongrass. 2,000 seeds ito sa isang pack for $9 or $10. Magtitira lang tayo ng konti pantakip. Kapag bumili kayo ng lemongrass seeds, para malaman nyo kung paano ang pagtanim, ay punta lang kayo sa outsidefry.com. Yun yung kanilang website nung binilhan ko ng lemongrass. Tapos lahat ng instruction sa pagtatanim, kung anong binili nyo na andun din. So, doon ko lang siya tinignan. Yan, pantay na siya. Lightly press lang, hindi press na press, para kung sakaling mag-roots na siya, madali niyang mapipenetrate yung soil. So, open na natin to. Makikita nyo talagang napakapino nitong seeds na to. Sana wag ilipad. So, ito ang itsura ng seeds niya. Sprinkle natin siya dyan. Tapos dito rin. 7 to, ano ba ang germination pakasabi? 7 to 21 days. Lahat naman halos ng seeds sa 7 to 21 days ang germination or 3 weeks. Double check natin. 7 to 21 days nga. So, halos lahat naman ng seeds na tinatanim ko, napapansin ko, puro 7 to 21 days siya. So, may kalahati pa. So, 1,000 siguro yan. Lightly press lang daw sa soil yung mga seeds para nakakontak talaga siya sa soil. Pagkatapos natin gawin to, ay budbura na natin ng soil para matakpan siya. Kuha tayo ng pambudbud. Light lang, siguro isang kamay lang natin. So, first time nating magtanim ng lemongrass seeds. Pag pinagpala tayo ay mabubuhay siya. So, ayan na, ganyan lang siya. At pagkatapos natin gawin ito is didiligan lang natin, then tapos na tayo. Pasok na tayo, tapos na tayo sa ating gardening. Ayan. Magluluto naman tayo ngayon ng chicken feet tinola with moringa or malunggay. At magluluto rin tayo ng pork belly adobo. So mamaya darating yung mga kaibigan natin, magsiswimming sila. So bahala na kung ano lang yung naanditong pagkain sa bahay, yun lang ang iluluto natin. Kasi usually nagdadala naman sila ng pagkain. So i-ready ko na yung mga kailangan natin. So, dalawang putahin natin. Pagsasabayin nating i-ready ang mga ingredients na spices. So, bahala na kayong manood. Ang sakit sa mata. Hindi talaga tayo cook. Pag naluto, kain, bahala na sila. Pero we will try our best para masarap siya. So, itong side na to, tinola. Chicken feet tinola. Itong side na to ay pork belly adobo. Sakit sa mata.
Hey, what's up, Eric? Okay, I'll be there.
Dough is ready.
30 minutes.
They have an 8-foot-high fence. Solid dog stuff. Straight dog.
So, para sa ating chicken feet tinola, ito lang ang ating ingredients. Chicken feet, papaya, ginger, garlic, onion, black pepper, at chicken cubes. At para naman sa ating adobo, ay ito naman ang ingredients natin. Yung pork belly, bay leaves, garlic, salt, pork broth, vinegar, and soy sauce. So, mag-start na tayong magluto. Yung tinola nga pala natin ay lalagyan natin ng malunggay at sili at lemongrass. Yung lemongrass nasa labas pa, mag-harvest tayo. Ito yung ating lemongrass. Nakalimutan kasi nating mag-harvest. Halos karamihan ng Pilipino marunong magluto ng tinola. So, syempre, gigisa muna natin siya. Konting oil lang. Pag mainit na yung ating oil, ay igigisa na natin yung mga spices niya. Yan, itsura niya. Panguhuli na natin yung malunggay, sili, papaya at lemongrass. Mamaya lalagyan din natin ng chicken cubes at pepper. Mamaya ko na ilalagay. Lutuin muna natin to. Ayan, habang medyo sinasangkot siya natin itong chicken feet, mag-start na tayo ng adobo. Igisa lang natin muna yung mga spices ng adobo, which is bawang lang naman. Tsaka yung pork, igigisa muna natin. Ayan. Once na uminit na yung oil, mag-start na tayo. Ayan natin ito. Medyo lutuin lang natin siya ng konti. Ito na yung itsura ng chicken natin. Cook na yung skin niya. So, lagyan na natin ng tubig. So, ito na yung ating pork belly adobo. Medyo pinalapot ko yung sauce. Para lumapot yung sauce, nilagyan natin ng konting harina. So, yan yung ating pork belly adobo. At yung tinola naman natin, hindi muna natin nilagay yung malunggay kasi wala pa tayong mga bisita. Madaling maluto ang malunggay. So, mamaya ko na siya ilagay. So, ito naman yung ating tinola. Ayan. May sili. So, ready na siya.
Share! Subscribe! Click the bell, please!